What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you do not know me, my name is Nick. I'm an entrepreneur. I've been an entrepreneur my whole life, and I go over the ups and downs in business. And I have a Shopify business, I have an Amazon business, I have an eBay business, and I go over all the revenue at the end of the video. So if you want to stick around, that's what I'll do at the end of the video. But today we're going to be doing a customer order, like a custom customer order. Then we have customer orders on Amazon and eBay. And then we'll be done for the day because I got a lot of grocery shopping to do. I'm not stocked on anything, so I hope you understand that it's gonna be a shorter video, but I got stuff to do. So gotta go do that. And thank you all so much for the support from the last video. You guys are just killing it. Very supportive subscribers. So thank you so much for making me feel good and just having good feedback. So let's get started in the video. I'm gonna go get a coffee going and we'll get cranking. All right, so I take that back. I have another custom order that I just got Venmo sent, so I gotta go get that done. And now I'm thinking about it, the custom hat order that I had to do in the first place, I don't think he Venmo'd me yet, so if he didn't Venmo me yet, I'm not gonna make the hat. So, gonna wait on that. So I gotta check those, but I might have 2 custom orders I gotta get out, and then the customer orders, and then we'll be done. My life is hectic. Oh, that was weird. I did not mix up the lion's mane mushroom powder. That was not good. Anyways, coffee's good. That was a weird texture. Let's get to the video. So good compared to the original Kino's hat. Look at that. This is clean. Good job, Nick. I was looking for a box and literally the most perfect hat box I've ever seen. That's not a hat box. It fits like a glove. So I'm still in the process of obviously getting this company going. I do not have any hat boxes, but this fit perfectly for a hat. So perfect. All right, guys, so these are the custom stickers I'm getting out. These are Deseret stickers, off-road. Just made them all custom, did black backgrounds on some of them, like these 2 here. Did a lot of white backgrounds on the other ones. So let's get these out. There are like 50 or so of these stickers I have to get out, and then we'll be done. I'm literally got 2 more sheets I gotta put in there and cut, and my computer dies. And apparently when your computer dies, you can't use your Cricut machines. Thank you all for enjoying that time lapse. I just got all the stickers done. There are a whole bunch. Worked out very well, got them done. So now that we are finished with these, let's go over, well, actually I'll pack these up, but after that, we'll go over yesterday's revenue to show how much money that we made. All right, y'all, so this one was $8.97. I don't know why it didn't pop up again. $278.50 on Amazon, and we made $110 on Venmo statements yesterday, so we got a total revenue of $397 yesterday. Just trust me, that's real. The Venmo statements, it was a hat and that custom order that you saw today, both of those. So we are now at $2,722 for this month, which is, not where I want to be at, but that's fine. We're going to get there. So if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm for more people to find my videos just like you. And also, if you really enjoyed these videos, I make one every single day until I hit $30,000 a month. So please consider subscribing if you like these videos. I will see you all tomorrow. Have a great rest of your Wednesday. I'll see you tomorrow for Thursday. Have a great day.